Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Programming Era. Today we will study how we can read data with the help of command line. In last video we discussed how we can read data by buffer reader in data input stream and scanner class. This is the fourth method of reading data from user, and in this method we will read data by scanner class. Command line argument. So for this there is no need of importing this package because we will not use scanner class, and there is no need to use all these methods also to read data. To read data by scanner class, we will simply provide data at the time of execution of the program, and that data will read by this args argument, and all data will be read in the format of a string, and we have to print that string format. So how it will work? First of all, reading command line. I will save this program. This means reading command line dot java. Now we will open data which is present in it. We have to print. There are different methods to print this information. First of all, we are printing name, so we will write args 0th position variable is name. First position is age, so we will take args first position is age. Next is args second position is salary. Args third position is bonus. Args fourth position is gender. Args fifth position is this marital status, and args sixth position is mobile number. We will save this program. We'll go to file, save. We'll open command prompt cls to clear screen. Java to compile this program. Reading command line dot java reading command line. Now all data we have to pass over here. First, name Amir Beg. We cannot put space because space will bring this token in next argument, because space make a different argument. So we have to keep it in collectively. Amir Beg, age 25, space salary 48,000, bonus 25,000 point something, gender male, marital status married, or you can say true false. Marital status true, married. Mobile number 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10, and press enter. We can look here. First argument Amir Beg go to the 0th position, second argument goes to first position, third argument goes to here, fourth argument here, fifth argument here, sixth argument here, and seventh argument here. Because indexing of array start from 0, so it is 7th argument, but we are writing 6 because we are starting from 0. It is one way method of printing. Now second way how we can print. I am making comment, doing comment this code. Second, we can print this information with the help of for loop. We will write for integer I equals to 0, I lesser than args dot length and I plus plus system dot out dot args I, it will print information that we feed over here. We can look at it. First of all, we will compile, then we will run, and information has been provided. All information will be printed like this, but message will not printed along with it. Here is one more way to print this information with the help of for each loop. For each loop, how it will look? We will write for string values from where arguments and print. Again save this program, Ctrl S, compile and run. This is the third way of reading data from command line arguments. It is by for each loop, it is by for loop, it is direct printing with the help of specifying indexing. So in this tutorial I tell you how we can read data with command line argument in different way. If you feel some difficulty or any problem, if you want to ask something, you can ask me in comment box. Thanks for watching. An entire detail of this topic is present in my blog. The link of blog is present in description. Thanks for watching.